Dailam Chasujuk Sakantikon Perak Dalang Suna Zelenskyy US una riangon President Donald Trump jegrikan baksana Vice President J.D. Vance bang khalen jegrika jekon kendau agil sakne world leader rangan ayon man plinga aro nawang thatokinga mo maina no pa andage dakke geni country ni world leaders rang sakne asong ke ba asong face to face asong e makhang gandre ke jegri rongja chim dawana suna bisuni jegri kapani video clips ko ba wate me sokan baksana na medike agana ba agana ken diba unas kan daw bisuni ya jegri kappa kon na suna medike analyst kai ni ata ongode Zelenskyy ni ban dakple gulti de dongja dakple dosi matgen ne de na song karna ke ma jawa maina no ba biaba umma kon agana de agana chim but you know na nakni country dakple chon beg pa ongode na ngo power bel dongja ongode wan baksana na gapan country na dakchakani ko nang nikani ko sabi na riangenga amna riangenga ongode chomotat na ontisa antang ko onnat na bamna gada kide nang thelaya chim but au Zelenskyy ramai ko dak chok khaanang chippa gnange khaanang antang aggression ko me so kesa wa country ni leader frang mangan jegrik sange de ba aro uni selosa da auna song news article rango bangen he disrespected the United States nerang siarang ni ko ken aro unagre US ode daun dagerang ban nenga haje historio gwal naman jana gaba hal somoy ungen nerang ba agan tuking haya khain sonibo history will remember this day nerang ba toking ha aro uni jamano Zelenskyy mung meeting khai Zelenskyy ni reba plani jamano Donald Trump antang ba chongmotan disappointed ungen ka hakon aro ndage expect khaja chumkon Zelenskyy ndage daken nemung to uni asalun bia antang ba yano na sun kenga he disrespected the United States of America in its cherished Oval Office mane de chingni nokona re pai chingkon disrespect kai do nanga ha Zelenskyy nerang agana ha okay daw yano na agana tahani aselo concept ko na so sakantian ma siaino ko ne mga chancha daw da anga jol na suna video clips rang ko wate me sugat ken je mai ni asel man chao bisongara jegrika cham aro badi au minori ange jegrika ha chukumko mo okay repeng da auroro Donald Trump da aurang sa US ni president ongon agel sakni dingtang world leaders rangan da aurang sa Donald Trump meng gronge bimeng golpona agana ba meeting antang ni country meng US ko relation na matna gada ke ba agel sa ko US and power bat ba jona aro trading ka arang niyo ba US currency ko dollar kon jakal batenga ni selo one US mungde relation ko namme rakhina ke nangen nin kapau darang world leader rangan Donald Trump mung golpona ke reang tuking je kai Israel ni ba Benjamin Netanyahu re ang ha uni jamono anchini India ni ba Prime Minister Narendra Modi reang i grong re ba ha ang nasna video ba proper taria tacham uni jamono gapan others country raw ni ba reang ha uni jamono daw Zelenskyy ni number so ka ha daw apsanda ken Zelenskyy ba Donald Trump ko grong na US ona rianga ya nibo Zelenskyy US ona sukang ha White House ona sukang ha aro non Donald Trump biko ndage rang rubutak so ha uni jamano jen somoyo bisong ningachi White House ningachi na panga ha media rang mang apsan ungi jen somoyo debate kana aba chingata hachem uno sa bisong ni argument mancha ko na sung kno bisong ni jegrik na nirena aba chingani ra yan Donald Trump ra Zelenskyy ko na hadin na song yawa ko amjainga ha na song aman amjainga ha na ade country ko Ukrainian rang ko Ukraine ko datla disaster na nisya taw na sa mangna menga ha ni aganon unon Zelenskyy angchi ko kna chengen ne nenga
The country is in big trouble.
Can I
Wait a
answer?
minute. No.
Can
You've
I
done a lot
answer?
of talking. The country is in big trouble.
I know.
You're not winning.
I know.
You're not winning this. You have a damn good chance of
we
coming
are
out
staying,
okay because of
Mr.
us.
Brett.
but unon Trump antang ni khatta ko complete ka ha uni jamano tabatai Zelenskyy Donald Trump oni ko ra sekemeng na ha biara chakemeng na ha oe chinga amjeng ha andi ba chinga saksana ni selosa chinga andi ba dakr kuinga chinga dakr ke sa dauna bandir ke resistant kana man kuinga ndita salrang una ba chinga dakr thenga ni dakr ka ni selosa chinga andere ke ta alona ba survive kana man kuinga chinga saksan onge sa ne nenga chum Tadi unon daw sa Donald Trump ra sa kemang na.
President, we are staying in our country, staying strong from the very beginning of the war. We've been alone, and we are thankful. I said thanks
You haven't
in
been
this
alone.
cabinet,
You
and
haven't
not
been
only
alone.
in this cabinet.
We gave you, through
I
this
said
stupid president, $350 billion.
You voted
we gave
for
you
your
military
president.
equipment.
You
and you
voted
men
for
are
your
brave,
president.
but they had to use our military.
What about
if you didn't have
You
our
invited
military
me.
equipment,
You invited
if
me
you
to
didn't
speak.
have our military equipment, this war would have been over in 2 weeks.
May ko agani nga nara saksansa. Nang na dakcha ko ba dongja. Hindi de chingara na suna dakcha katama. Hindi ta billions tangkarang ko unat kebara sawa. Uni gise po military equipment rang ko unat kebara ngara sawa. Na saksan ongja. Hindi ta salo na ba chingni support ka atani selusa na dalo na ba survive kana man kuenga. Ongja ongode. Chingana suna support ka ata ongode. Military equipment rang ko unat ta ongode. Russia antigene gise po Ukraine ko banang ko donjawa hachim nerang nanda gen Zelenskyy aro bate rakke khatarang ko agane ngachim jeni aselo vice president JD Vance ra Zelenskyy ni khatako ra chakemang na ha jena saksa US president mungsa golpoenga US ona re bai waba US media rangi mukhango tadu uni aselo na ontisa respect nango golpona manjama nerang na
What do you mean?
I'm talking about the kind of diplomacy that's going to end the destruction of your country.
Yes, but if you are not strong...
Mr. President, with respect, I think it's disrespectful for you to come into the Oval Office and try to litigate this in front of the American media.
Uni jamano JD Vance Zelenskyy ko arba sinthaya ha je nasongchi dao army dak barang khomia ha power dong ja da uni aselu angnin gata ni gata de report rang ko manani gata de Ukraine chi dao belsi chi gtam chi bre belsi chi bunga da kpa bi sarang ko ba phanti bisa da kabarang ko ba daw na song Russia mong dakrut na kada dake front line no na wata tenga na neba bios nga ni ko da ka
And forcing conscripts to the front lines because you have manpower problems. You should be thanking the president for trying to bring an end to this conflict.
Have you ever been to Ukraine that you say what problems we have?
I have been to.
Come once.
I've actually watched and seen the stories, and I know what happens is you bring people.
uni jamano mai na Ukraine no na riang ni chok ma na Ukraine ko nukchok changsarang na riang ni bo uno sa masigen nerang na uni jamano Zelenskyy United States ko by US ko ontisa means the chonnuka actually chonnuka neda aganat na khajawa ya khata ko de US daw na song mamung kon feel khana kadar ke manjenga ba mamung jajrenga ni dongja mai ni asilu maina no ba US ni phangni chin uchiba sagal daude uni aselusa dauna ba na song ko attack ka kujenga darang country ba andi ba na song nie dongai in the future ode na song ko ba attack kanare bagen aro uno sa na song attack kha cha joko mai da ke feel ka ba mai da ke daknika uko masigen nerang na
You have nice ocean and don't feel now, but you will feel it in the future.
no Donald Trump ka literally Zelenskyy ra na you will feel it in the future nerang na da unon Donald Trump ka na ngemang da batai Zelenskyy ni kata ko ra chaksang emang na sawa chinga mai da ke feel ka gen mai ko mai dak ne ken dak ne chawa u ko agan na gpa nara sawa
You don't know that.
God bless.
You don't
God
know
bless.
that.
You will not have a war.
Don't tell us what we're going to feel. Don't tell us what we're going to feel.
I'm not telling you.
Because
I'm
you're in no
answering all
position
these
to
questions.
dictate that.
That's
Remember
exactly
this.
what I'm not
You're in
dictating.
no position to dictate what we're going to feel.
You
We're
will-
going to feel very
you will
good.
feel influenced.
We're going to feel very
I'm
good and very
telling you,
strong.
You will feel influence.
You're right now not in a very good position. You've allowed yourself to be in a very bad position, and he happens to be right about
From the
it.
very beginning of the war.
You're not
Mr.
in a good
Brown,
position. You don't have the cards right now. With us, you start having
not playing-
cards.
literally Donald Trump senga dakna be actually senga dakna be means they dominate kana be but dictate kana be nin ba khatharang ko agana ha wan baksana nang position down am jenga hane yan na ade World War 3 ongat na sa Ukraine ni manderang ko siat na sa Ukraine ko ni siat na gta sa game ko khalenga ha nerang ba Zelenskyy ko teksrang ha now ya andage ongarang ko agal sa gmakan ka ha plus Russia de chongmodan monitor ka chongmot ken observe ka chongmot ken nen ma siamo maina nu ba Russia Ukraine mung dakking ha jokona dawde uni asilo Ukraine ni saksa president US onari angon mai ko discuss kaenga mai ko golpoinga aganinga ukode bisongde nie dong chongmot ken to jen somoyo Putin sorry Zelenskyy mung Donald Trump ndreke jegrika hadode wa ndage jegrika ni ko nikon Russia ra ba Putin ra na men khushi onga aro yes awe wow miracle of Donald Trump nerang rasong dakatani ko ba dakaha wan baksana Zelenskyy ko JD Vance bulsarang na thengko satkhabat genchmo ba mam gwalani ongjo chim ba na amaigenchim nin ba ko ba categorically agana uni jaman Russia USA na offer ko ba mesoka ha offer means te USA ra Ukrainoniko may ba mining ka emang rare earth elements rangko mineral rangko pukot na ke amenga cham dade uko Ukraine ko counter ka ganangi Russia ra agana ha Ukraine no na batte de Russia ni ngon rare earth element rangde ba mineral rangde pangpata dade uni aselo Ukraine na batte de USA ra Russia ko sa focus kana nanga aro chinga completely ready onga ha USA interest ongen chmode we are ready to cooperate nerang ba na ha daw Russia oni andage takba statement rang sokpaon dage takba statement rang ko nikon China daw concern ongenga ha maina nu ba China de Russia ko de US oni chele donga hon namme ka cham aro andaken onga ba ongbebya ha cham Biden ni somoyode Biden president onge donga somoyode Russia ra US oni namen chela ha cham aro China de US oni Russia chele donga hon namne kinga chim jokona US oni Russia chele donge China o defending onge China ni side hero onge donga angode China ni ko ba dak chaka ni ko chaka bangani ko mangen ne bisora khadonga cham but those circumstances ra completely change ongeng ha reflection ongeng ha daw de uni aselo yarang kon ko daw China ra namen kenenga daw ya gamma ko ontisa site to donate Zelenskyy ni US visit ko niata ongo demo Ukrainian manderang de ntokengno chanchi tokengno ya mandera US onari angon US meng relation ko namme dakchaka ni ko help ko bi nasari angama Donald Trump meng nirie US meng relation ko bi atnasari angama nerang sa daw chanchi tokeng nok aru kaw nang bade nangeng nok aro ongaba ongan kaw nangani region bagnang maina no ba daw Zelenskyy meng andake jegrika jaman USA Ukraine meng relation kon completely cut off kani chance kanang jegra ba support kaing chim dak chaka tenga chim completely urang ko cut off kha sanga tanin chance kanang ha but jebong bor pengrang arum khangchi mai badala important update ang bagen chumude anga video thare taigan nagen mang dalni video de yang bonai jok na suni sweng to sakanti kon blongen matel jok